Hi guys, my name is AB and I'm on stecybenz page. Woohoo!
And they are seeing it.
Are you recording? No.
Of course.
Are you?
Yes.
Really? Well, damn.
So nice.
Yeah, I like it. I was just telling, like a L'Oreal commercial.
In your bed, yes. Swing it.
Like this?
Yes. And then you turn in front and then you bring the hair in front. Yes. Yes! Good. Then you can.
Thank you so much.
Let me take pictures.
Okay.
Those were videos. I'll take portrait.
Hi guys, my name is stecybenz. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on installed lifestyle in China. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I am stecybenz. I am located in China. I am a hairdresser here in Shanghai, China. So if you live in and around China, Shanghai, you might want to book an appointment on my WeChat with the ID stecybenz, same as my name on YouTube. And also, if you want to order yourself this same week, you can add me on WeChat, or you click the link down below that says to order a week. Send a screenshot of what you want to buy, and yeah, we can talk about this. This week I made it myself. Actually, she ordered and I custom made it myself. So it's a balayage blonde wig, blonde with brown with blonde highlight, whatever. She sent me a picture of what she wanted and I made it for her. So guys, you can also send a picture of what you want and I will make it for you. Like I said, I am located in China, close to the factory, and I am also a wig maker. You can also get your hair from AliExpress or wherever you can get your hair. Send to me and I'm going to make it into a wig for you, a customized wig for you. Okay, so like I said, if you want to order yourself this same week, you click the link down below that says to order a week, or you add me on WeChat with my ID stecybenz, or with this number on the screen. You can get me on WeChat, WhatsApp, and also you can also follow me on Instagram, stacy_benz_wigs, and Snapchat stecybenz. Most of my handles are stecybenz, so whenever you find one, you can find the others from there. So yeah, I'm waiting for you on my DM. And yeah, she's so pretty, and most of my clients are pretty because guess what, I make them pretty. Just kidding. So guys, if you're new to this channel and want to see more videos on install, you can click the link up, the card up, to see how I installed this week or other weeks, and watch other videos on my channel on how to install a wig, my lifestyle in China, and also braids, cornrows, blah blah blah, whatever you want to see. And let me know whatever you want to see next, and I'm going to make a video for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.